Hey, welcome back to Jarhead Jed, where adventure is just around the corner. Got little Jarhead over here. What's going on, little Jarhead?
Nothing.
Oh, finger in the camera. What'd we do today?
We went on a hike and then rode our bikes around.
What hike did we go on?
Um,
He already forgot. Pine Falls? Anyways, we're here in Fall Creek Falls State Park camping. Unfortunately, no motorcycle stuff this week, but we're having a good time. We're having an adventure, enjoying ourselves with the family, right?
yep.
Yep. Riding a lot of bikes. Well, they're riding a lot of bikes. I need to get a bike. Rachel needs to get a bike, but did the thing just turn off? What the heck? Uh, like I've said before, I'm an idiot. I don't know how to work this thing. Anyways, we're sitting around a campfire right now, just hanging out. So I'll work on my videoing around campfires and stuff at some point. Until then, just a good view of the